How to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to add boarding pass to your Google Wallet. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have installed Google Wallet in your device. If not, open up your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Wallet. Here, once you do so, you will see Google Wallet. Now tap on Install. Once you install your application, launch it and make sure that you are logged into your Google Wallet account. Then you will see Add to Wallet on your bottom right corner. Tap onto it. Here again you will see Add to Wallet and tap on Transport Pass. Inside the Transport Pass, you will be asked to choose your transport operator. If you don't see it here, you can also go ahead and tap at the search bar and type in your transport operator. You will get leaded to another website. Here tap on Select. Once done, tap on Sign In to buy. Now make sure that you sign in again, and just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.